Hong Kong is a very vibrant, very international city. I think for Glory Star to have the headquarters in Hong Kong connects us to the world. I'm Cindy Chung, and I'm the Chief Commercial Officer for Glory Star Group. I'm born in Hong Kong, lived here for over 20 years, and our office is located in Kowloon, which is the heart of Hong Kong. So the function for our Hong Kong office is for project managing, for marketing, finance, and also we have a repair center, and supply chain logistics goes from Hong Kong. Glory Star is a family-run business from the 1980s. We started off as making media players, which are devices that just played video. And shortly after that, the market requested us to do touchscreens. And around 2010, we started our first touch. Evolving into 2021, we won an award through DFA Hong Kong for our best design of a temperature checking device. In Shenzhen, we have a team of engineers who specializes in software, hardware design, and as well as our full production team.
I'm the Chief of Products for Glory Star Group. So what I do is I oversee the product developments and also the manufacturing process. And in the back of me right now, we are manufacturing the Nebula 15.6 tablets. And this is also where we're manufacturing all of our series. So the Nebula, the Vega, the Ultron, the Magnetar, and it's where all the magic happens. We started Glory Star Shenzhen in 2003. And so this is where we have our own R&D team, our software team, our hardware team. It's very good to have the engineering team and the production team here at the same location in our facility, because whenever adjustments is required regarding production or design adjustment is required, then everyone is here and they can fix the adjustments in a very, very quick time. Our target is to be able to manufacture this product in a small batch, and also in a very quick pace, and also a mass customization type of production process. So if you're looking for a product that is specialized for a particular industry, and also a touch solution or a very specialized OS that you want to develop, then we're a very, very good selection.
At Glory Star, we love to learn from each of our customers and from each of the different countries on how they can use our products to localize our solutions. But at the same time, we hope to be growing globally together with our partners and customers.